号机型，手机电话已设置为飞行模式。客舱乘务员请告诫各位 Ladies and gentlemen, as we are about to depart, please make sure that your seatbelt is safely fastened and make sure your mobile phone has been switched into airplane mode. Thank you. Cabin crew, please prepare for departure. 我们已经抵达乌鲁木齐，本架飞机将停靠 T3航站楼。现在机舱外面的温度为-20°C， 28华氏度，当地时间为下午3点35分。飞机还在滑行中，请您保持安全带系好。在系好安全带指示灯关闭后，当您打开行李架时，请特别留心，以免物品滑落。下机时，请您带好护照及全部手提物品到候机厅办理入境手续。您的交易行李请在到达地领取。如您有需要办理海关申报的物品， 请您前往海关申报柜台办理手续。需从本站转乘国内航班的旅客，根据中国人民共和国海关规定，您的所有手提行李和托运行李都需要接受海关检查。请您提取托运行李办理海关手续，然后前往国内中的柜台办理行李转运。感谢您选乘天河联盟成员。感谢您选乘中国南方航空航班。对于本次航班的延误，我们深表歉意，并感谢您在航班延误时给予的理解和配合。下次旅途再会，谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Air Moti. We will park at concourse number T3. The outside temperature is -2 degrees Celsius or 28 degrees Fahrenheit. The local time is 3:35 p.m. Our aircraft is still taxiing. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs turn off. Please be careful by opening the overhead luggage may have shifted during the flight. Please take out your passport and all your belongings when disembarking, and complete the entry and operating formalities at the terminal. Your checked baggage may be cleaned at baggage claim area. If you have any items to declare, please proceed to declaration counter of the customer. If you have a domestic continuing flight, according to the regulation of Customs of People's Republic of China, you need to clear your checked baggage and proceed through the customs declared of both your carry-on baggage and checked baggage. Then please go through the baggage, product, and demonstrate transfer counter. Thank you again for flying with China Southern Airlines. We sincerely apologize for the delay of this flight, and thank you for your understanding and cooperation. See you next time, and have a nice day. Thank you.